Hey, this is Mike from Zoomy.com, and today I want to share with you some cold weather tips for keeping your batteries all juiced up in cold weather. And we all know cold weather doesn't do well for batteries, especially small GoPro ones. Well, one of the things you can do to combat that is keep them warm in your pocket. Now this is just a small electric heater you can get on Amazon. I'll put a link below. They're pretty cheap, about 12 bucks. Just has a USB connection, charge it up, and then away you go. What I think is really neat is it does come with this little sock, so you can slip your batteries, at least 2. Probably could double it up on the other side and do 4 right inside there. Alright, another way to keep those batteries warm, again within the pocket, is with hand warmers, or I like these toe warmers. They work really well. You can wrap these around the GoPro portable power bank to keep that power bank warm, so that you have juice to keep your batteries charged. Now, another way for keeping your batteries warm, if you do not have any sort of heater, is you want to keep these in a pocket that's as close to your body as possible, preferably like a breast pocket. That way the warmth from your body can keep your batteries warm while you're waiting to use them. Now obviously this is the best way, is to have quite a bit of batteries with you, but if you only have the one battery in your camera, you basically want to do the same thing. Keep that camera, when not in use, warm and as close to your body as possible, preferably up in the chest area. That part is what your body keeps the most warm.
Hey, one more quick tip I wanted to share with you was you can also use these hand warmers around drone batteries while they're in the case to keep them warm. This also can be used with any type of drone battery, or any camera battery for that matter, in your camera case. Click that subscribe button to be notified of new videos. Thanks again. Bye.